Traveling is stressful enough without your tech letting you down. Dead phone, overweight luggage, incompatible plugs, tangled cables. The right gadgets make the difference between a smooth trip and a nightmare at the check-in counter. I have tested the best travel tech of 2026 to find out which essentials keep you powered, organized, and connected on the road. Let's get into it. The Atexity luggage scale is the best cheap travel gadget that pays for itself the first time you use it. You know that moment of terror at the airport check-in counter when you lift your suitcase onto the scale and pray? This little digital scale eliminates that fear. You just hook it to your suitcase handle, lift, and read the weight on the bright LCD display. It measures up to 110 pounds, which is plenty for even the most overstuffed check bag. The tare function lets you subtract the weight of a bag or container. It is compact, lightweight, and runs on a battery that lasts for years. The auto-off feature saves power when you forget to turn it off. For under $15, this thing will save you from $50 overweight baggage fees. It is a no-brainer. Check the link in the description below. The Acer Universal Travel Plug Adapter is the best all-in-one power solution for international travelers who need to charge multiple devices. This compact adapter works in over 150 countries, covering most of Europe, the UK, Australia, Japan, and the US. It has a universal AC outlet that accepts plugs from all those regions, plus 5 USB ports, including 3 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. You can charge your phone, laptop, tablet, earbuds, and camera all from one single adapter. It is not a voltage converter, so check that your devices support dual voltage, which most modern electronics do. The compact size fits easily in a backpack, pocket, or carry-on. For anyone traveling internationally, this thing is essential. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Native Union Belt Cable Universal is the best durable charging cable for people who are tired of replacing frayed, broken cords. This cable is built like a tank. It has an ultra-strong reinforced structure that is 6 times stronger than standard lightning cables. The O-Flex strain relief at the connector joint absorbs stress and has been tested to over 10,000 bends. The built-in 3-in-1 adapter includes lightning, USB-C, and micro USB tips. So one cable charges your iPhone, your Android tablet, and your old power bank. The genuine leather strap keeps the 6.5-foot cable neatly coiled and tangle-free in your bag. The slim connector fits most phone cases. It is expensive for a cable, but it will outlast 5 cheap ones. For frequent travelers, this is the last charging cable you will ever buy. I have linked the Native Union belt cable down in the description. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 are the best travel earbuds for iPhone users who want top-tier noise cancellation and new health features. The active noise cancellation removes up to twice as much unwanted noise as the previous generation, which means airplane engines, crying babies, and chatty neighbors just disappear. The new acoustic architecture delivers transformed bass and stunningly clear vocals. The built-in heart rate sensing lets you track your heart rate during workouts, or even just while walking through the airport. The live translation feature, powered by Apple Intelligence, lets you have conversations across language barriers using your iPhone. The hearing test and hearing aid features are genuinely useful for anyone with mild hearing loss. Battery life is up to 8 hours with noise cancellation on, and the charging case gives you multiple full charges. For iPhone users who fly frequently, these are essential. Check the link in the description below. The Anker Mago 3-in-1 charging station is the best compact charger for Apple users who want to travel light and keep all their devices powered overnight. This foldable charger is about the size of a deck of cards when closed and weighs less than a baseball. It unfolds into a stand that wirelessly charges your iPhone at 15 watts, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods simultaneously. The Qi 2 certification means it is just as fast as Apple's own MagSafe chargers. The included 40-watt USB-C wall charger and cable are enough to power the whole station. The stand is adjustable, so you can use your phone in standby mode as a nightstand clock. It is not cheap, but for Apple users who want to replace 3 separate chargers with one tiny gadget, it is a game changer. I have linked the Anker Mago 3-in-1 down in the description for you. That is the lineup of the best travel tech for 2026. Whether you want the luggage scale to avoid overweight fees, the universal adapter for international trips, or the AirPods Pro 3 for peace and quiet on the plane, these gadgets will make your next trip smoother and less stressful. All the links are waiting for you down below in the description. Go check them out and safe travels. I will catch you in the next one.